What's going on, guys? David here. If you use Facebook for marketing using the Facebook ads, I'm going to show you just a really quick no fluff tool that you can use to actually dial in your targeting extremely deep into different niches. You'll know on Facebook you can only find a certain amount of interests, and anybody else, your competition out there that are building ads, are all getting those same interests. In reality, you're competing against a lot of different companies that are using Facebook's tools. The other problem that you'll find is there's a lot of companies that develop tools like this. This one right here, I've connected with the developer of this platform. It's called Hidden Interests, and it allows you to expand your targeting. So I'll show you how to use that really quick. But what happens is a lot of companies, a lot of agencies and stuff develop their own software like this, and they want a premium price for it. This one is a real simple tool, really inexpensive. So I'm just going to show you how to dive in here. You'll just have a search phrase bar here, and you could just type in something like weight loss, and then we'll just click search. There are some countries added here, so you could select those if you'd like, and then you just search for them, and then you'll get a ton of different interests here. And the cool thing is you can actually search it on Google or Facebook. So I could just click one of these buttons and I could do some further research here on Google, or I could click for Facebook. It'll do a search on Facebook, so I could kind of see what's going on with those keywords on Facebook as well. And then it shows you the audience size right here, so I can see the audience size of each of these interests, so I could really target some smaller interests down here, and maybe there's not so much competition. A lot of times you'll get lower ad costs when you can do that, and there's some audiences that are extremely large as well. So the cool thing too is you could select these. So if you just click on these and highlight them, you'll notice they populate right over here in the right hand side. So I could go ahead and grab a bunch of these, and I could either copy them to my clipboard. I could download a CSV, or I could go ahead and copy them all right up here, or download them all as a CSV. I can also keep this list going. So if I wanted to take another one of these, so for instance, maybe if we took veganism and I did another search up here, so we could dive even deeper in searching one of the interests that populate. So I could continue taking these interests and searching deeper and deeper. And I could also add them right here. So you'll notice on the right, more of those are populating from the first search and the second search. So I could continue on here and just keep diving into all these different interests. And you'll notice some of the ones that I've already found that show up again are still highlighted. So, I could just select a bunch of these and then grab this, copy these over, and then run over to Facebook ads, get an ad going, and really do some good testing on dialed in targets. So if you're interested in checking this out, the developer has offered 20% off for my followers. So the code is DavidJ20. There'll be a link down below that you can go ahead and click, and you'll get 20% off. It's just a one-time payment. So you'll get 20% off of $89. And he is currently working on this, keeping it updated and stuff like that. So there's more to come. So go ahead and check that out. Like I said, if you're interested in, getting a little bit better targeting for your Facebook ads, go ahead and check this out. Really simple tool to use, basic, but it really packs a huge punch if you're doing a lot of Facebook ads. So check it out. We'll talk to you in the next video, guys. Take care.